Hello, welcome back.
Hello.
We are carrying on with exploring some new 3D shapes. Do you remember yesterday how we talked about a 3D shape isn't a flat shape? It's not a flat shape that's drawn on a piece of paper. So remember, a 3D shape is a shape, if I get one that we used yesterday, that you can measure the height of. You can measure how wide it is, you can measure the width, but you can also measure how deep it is, how far back it goes. So that's what's special about 3D shapes. So today we've got two new ones for you, and they're quite similar, aren't they?
They look really similar.
They really do, which is why it's important to talk about the properties of these shapes. What's special about them? When we talked about the properties of our cylinder yesterday, we talked about having a flat circle face and a flat circle face and a curved face around the side. So when we look at these shapes, I wonder if they got curved or flat sides. Are they good for football, these ones?
I don't think so. They wouldn't do a great job at rolling.
No, they don't really, do they?
They wouldn't go very
fast. No good for football. So they haven't got a curved face. They've all got
flat faces.
Flat faces, you're absolutely flat faces. And this one's got flat faces as well. Look, if I go all the way around. Flat faces. This one, what sort of shape is that face?
I was just thinking, I can see lots of square faces on this shape.
You really can, can't you? There, and there, and there, and there, and there, and there. In fact, there are 6 faces, 6 flat faces, and they're all squares.
They're all the same size.
Yeah, they are.
Wow.
Exactly, all the same size. Do you know what that shape is called, Miss Mitchell?
You know what? I think I do. I think it's called a cube.
You're absolutely right. It's called a cube. A cube is 6 flat square faces all joined together to make a cube, a 3D shape.
Ah.
Now this one's got some flat faces that are squares as well.
Yeah, this one looks a bit like a longer version of the cube.
So it's like someone's stretched it out a little bit, because instead of having a square face here, it's got a rectangle face.
Oh.
So this shape has got 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangle faces, and then at either end it's got its 2 square faces. And you know how you said it had been stretched out?
Yeah.
Well, actually, the name of this one is a bit like the stretched out name of that one. This is a cube, but if we stretch it out, we're going to call it a cuboid. Can you stretch that?
Stretchy.
Cuboid, which is a bit like a stretched out cube because it's got those longer faces.
That's a fun word to say.
Cuboid.
Cuboid.
I like that too. So, challenge again for you guys is, can you find any cube shapes in your house and name and give them the label of cube? And can you find any cuboid shapes in your house? They could be that way up or that way up.
Oh, that's interesting that you can turn them different ways.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You can have them anywhere around you like. They're still a cube or a cuboid.
Lovely. I can't wait to see that. That's going to be really fun.
Excellent. I'm wondering if there's anything in my classroom right now that I can find that is a cube or a cuboid. Give me just 1 second and I will be back. I think that this, I think that this is a cube, not a cuboid, because it's not got any rectangle faces, has it? So I found a dice, and that is a cube. I also found this. This is a cuboid.
It is?
It is, it really is, because a cuboid doesn't have to have 2 square faces. It can have rectangle faces on either end as well. So I found a cuboid.
Well done, Mrs. Mason. I better get looking.
Have fun. Bye.